According to China EV Post, CATL has begun construction of a new battery production base in Beijing. The facility will supply batteries to BAIC, Xiaomi, and Li Auto. A groundbreaking ceremony was held on June 18, 2024. CATL's chairman, Robin Zeng, attended the event. The site will be a zero-carbon factory with high automation. The project is a joint venture with BAIC, Xiaomi EV, and Beijing Energy International. CATL holds a 51% stake in the venture. BAIC owns 39%, while Xiaomi EV and Beijing Energy International each hold 5%. Xiaomi EV launched its first model, the SU7, on March 28, 2024. The SU7 comes in three variants: Standard, Pro, and Max. The Standard SU7 uses BYD's Blade battery, while the Pro and Max variants use CATL batteries. Li Auto has also added Svolt Energy and Sunwoda as battery suppliers. You are listening to Yuan News.